Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a stop motion video. It's super fun, but here are a few things that you're going to need. One, lighting. Next thing you're going to need is a set. I used this little foam board room with hardwood. The next thing that you're going to need is something really articulated and strong. So I would recommend getting an action figure. Even Legos might work. I think there's a thing from Barbie like Made to Move or something. That'll work too. Today, I went to Walmart and I got the perfect articulated toy to do stop motion with. And I'm gonna hand it over to me. Thank you, Me. So after a long day of travel, it's time to go to Walmart so that I can get a toy for how to make a stop motion video. I decided to go with Captain Marvel action figure. I don't know why. I'm impatient. I think that's no surprise at this point. I want to open this because I want to open it. Am I using a pen to cut the tape? Yep. Here we go. All right, this Captain Marvel right here, quite literally one of the best examples of what to get for a stop motion. And you'll see that in the next video. Now it's time to create the stop motion. So what I've decided to do is it's going to be a dance video to the song X's by Tate McRae. Gonna turn it to 60. I just do a little bit of like a stuff like that, right? But don't want that, so we're gonna start it over. Bring our little forward. You know, I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera and then I'll be back. The video is now complete, so now I'm gonna show you what it looks like. That's how you make a stop motion film. Not super hard. I highly recommend you try it. Tell me what you think.